This Rugged Ridge 3-piece door handle recess guard kit in chrome is for those of you that have a 2007 to 2018 JK that are looking for a way to change up the look of your Jeep a little bit, but also add some protection to those painted surfaces. This is something that's going to install very easily, definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench installation in less than a half hour to get this done, and we'll talk more about that in just a second. So the area in the door handle recess is prone to scratching. You're grabbing it as you're opening the door, you are either grabbing from the top or the bottom, your nails can scratch it. If you have your key in your hand, that could scratch it. If you have any jewelry on, you do have to be careful in that area, and some of the older JKs you will notice a lot of scratching in that area. So whether you want to cover up any light scratching that you have, you want to protect that area from additional scratching, or you just like the look of these door recess guards, these are going to be a great choice for you. These are going to be an easy to add on, stick on plastic piece that's going to be inexpensive and do exactly what it's supposed to do. Like I said, these are going to be a plastic piece. They come with pre-applied 3M adhesive on the backside for a very easy installation. This kit is the 3-piece kit, so this is for your 2-door JK and also includes a recess guard for that tailgate. If you have a 4-door, it'll come in a kit of 5. These are also available in a couple different colors if you choose to go with a more blacked out look versus the chrome look. These, of course, if you have some other chrome accents, are going to look really good. This is a 1 out of 3 wrench installation, less than a half hour to get this done. All you need to do is make sure that the painted surface of your Jeep is good and clean before installing these. So you can go ahead and do a test fit, see the area that you need to clean, and use an alcohol-based cleaner to clean that paint thoroughly. Once that's done, you can remove the 3M adhesive backing, get this in place, and with just a little bit of pressure, they're going to be installed. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you want to do this when temperatures are moderate. Around 70 degrees is usually best. That's going to help that 3M adhesive really set up and stick properly. If you try and do this when it's very cold outside or very, very hot, the 3M might not have as long of a life. So do keep that in mind during this installation. These are going to run you right around $40. I do think that's a pretty good deal. It's going to change the look of your Jeep, add some protection, cover some scratches. It's going to do exactly what it's supposed to do and hold up for a good long time. So if you like this look or you want this functionality, I think $40 is a fair deal. So if you're looking to change up the look of the exterior of your Jeep, cover some scratches, or protect those door recesses, I definitely recommend these guards from Rugged Ridge, and you can find them right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.